How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Caswell Customs. Vinny here, and today we're getting back into the trailer. I know it's been some time since we've kind of shown you any of the updates or progress that we made, kind of because I've been working on it, not really filming a ton of it, just because I've been like working on it in afternoons and getting like just little bits done. So I'm going to show you what we've got done, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing today, and show you some other stuff we got to do today. But so finally got this locker fully installed, so it's looking real good. As we saw before, we already got the floors in here. I gotta clear all this out because today we're gonna be cutting out the doors. Got our diesel heater installed with our batteries. Still need to get a trickle charger for that. Got our tank over here, and there's actually a fuel door that I'll show you on the outside. Got this first floor part in, and we're gonna be building vertical that way, so that the battery compartment's closed off. So then what we gotta get done today, and I don't know if we'll get it all done, but some of it done, is the countertop. Paul's dad is almost done with that. I went and picked out the laminate color, and oh, it looks so good. Super excited to show you guys that. So that's here. So because that's coming, we're not gonna be able to just lift up the wood. Gotta get this door cut out, this and this door cut out, and then this cut out, so when we open this, we can still get into the battery area once that's in. So tons to get done. Hopefully be able to get this all done today, and then yeah. So the other thing is getting the E-track up on this wall. That way we can build the other bed, ratchet it to this wall. So that's the other thing we got to get done. See, total mess in here. Just kind of been getting stuff in here. Both sleds are in here. If you haven't already seen the track install and reverse on this sled, go ahead and check that out. I'll throw a card up here. Check that out after you watch this video. But yeah, so let's get done. First things first, I'm actually going to head up to Discount Tire. Got a flat tire yesterday on my way to Thanksgiving, which was wonderful. I was literally almost there. And I don't have a full-size spare, so I threw the GM factory full-size spare on the truck, which is a 31 versus my 37s. Drove it back home, got my other truck, then went to Grace's. So that was an interesting day, but now I need to go get that patched so I can get it back on the truck. So I'm going to go get that done, and then I'm going to work on the trailer. There's a full-size spare, and I'll actually show you a picture of it completely flat laying on the ground. And there is the full-size factory spare. Looks like a little weenie tire on here, but at least I was able to get home. Definitely need to get a set of full-size spares for the truck. So right there we have our plug, so let's go get it thrown back on the truck. Alright, so I'm going to start getting the cabinets cut out. All I'm going to do is pretty much measure my space on the inside, and then just take the the circular saw, cut it, and then get the corners with the oscillating tool. Should be somewhat simple. Like I said, it's not going to be a perfect cut or super clean. We're going to have the doors lay over top of it. Just looking for functional, be able to get into the cabinets. So I'm thinking this door is going to have to swing out this way, and then we're thinking both doors here might swing to the right, instead of having them traditionally like open, to each other. That way you can open this one and still get into this one. We'll figure that out when we get there, but we get these started to get back. kind of got carried away. I don't know when's the last time I've updated you, but we got this all taken care of. So we got boom, boom. We got a little metal stopper thing along with that, so that when we close it, it has some retention. Doesn't just swing open, and then when we're driving, boom, locked. Let's go. So now we can get this one started, get this bad boy cut out. Right, we now have 3 fully functioning cabinets. Still gotta finish up some of the hardware, but this is all on, and yeah, I just have a big mess to clean up, but yeah, now we're just waiting for that countertop to come in. I still have to cut that out, but all this is in. It's looking good. It's not perfect, you know, I'm not a carpenter, that is for sure, but hey, it's gonna be functional, and that's what we're going for. So super happy with the progress I made. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. So not a ton done, and I might throw some more into this, so this might not be the outro, this might be the outro, but if it is, thanks again for watching another episode of Caswell Customs. As always, like the video, subscribe to the channel to see more with the trailer build, and the biggest thing is what we're going to be using this trailer for. So camping, snowmobiling, going to the UP, gonna be a blast. You're gonna want to see it, so go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Want to see what's happening, you know, as far as us going to the UP. As always, I'm Vinny with Caswell Customs, and I'll see you in the next one.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
We got bed number 1 and bed number 2. So we gonna be sleeping comfy up in here. Still gotta get some stuff with the doors done. Do the top cabinet. Not installing that until countertop's in. But other than getting that flapped back up, we're almost there, boys. The pièce de résistance. Get that bad boy in. Cheers, boys.